Hello all, welcome back to my channel. This is Govardhan Penny. Over here we discuss about the benchmark indices of India in accordance with the global trends that are happening. Okay, so I couldn't exactly record a pre-market analysis video today due to some personal work, but let me keep this very succinct and I'll try to record the analysis for the midday today and just post it. So yeah, let me just bring up the screen of Nifty for you. Yes, so these are the same levels from yesterday. I haven't done very much changes here, and so what we can see is still respected yesterday 15,900 levels, and then we broke 15,820 levels. That was the area which we discussed for support yesterday and also resistance. So we broke that today in the opening candle itself. 15,826 is the level and 15,825 was the high. So that level stood up in the first 5 minutes itself. Then from there we never really retraced back to those levels. And on the downside, we were continuously discussing from quite some time, almost a week plus now, about 15,720 and 15,680 level, to be cautious around that zone. So 15,720, it turned out to be a decent support zone again. From there it's hung back to almost 15,780, 785 levels. So that's a short note about Nifty's level, and unless we break 15,720 levels with heavy volumes, we won't be witnessing a heavy fall, and it most likely would be a premium eating day if that doesn't happen. So yes, that's a short note on Nifty. So levels to watch out currently are 15,720, where what happens around this zone, 15,720 to 740 to be precise, what happens around this zone with volumes. So if there are volumes sustaining at these levels, then the sellers will get absorbed and the buying would continue towards day high. But if that doesn't happen, it would fall back to 15,680 and would test that area for 15,600. So it's pretty much in a no trade zone right now, and unless you're a seller or something like that. So yes, that's a short note on Nifty, and let's also see Bank Nifty and where we are. So let's start. So before that, I updated this sheet. So from column C to column H, you can see the intraday levels, and column I to column L, that's the long term and short term supports and resistance. So that's for today, and this would be available in the description and you can check it out. This will be updated on a daily basis, and from tomorrow most likely again I'll make a pre-market analysis video so we can update this on live basis. So that's about this sheet, and let's just check where we are with this. So let's see the OI stats for Nifty, right? Okay, so 15,800 is turning out to be a good resistance zone for now, at least with heavy call writing, and 15,700 and 15,600 have heavy put writing compared to the call writing that is present. So I guess we are currently at a very no trade zone and we need to watch out for whatever trades that we take over here. That's about Nifty, and let's quickly jump to Bank Nifty and see what's happening at that space. Okay, so Bank Nifty, so yesterday around 35,300 we resisted like we discussed, and from there we fell all the way towards 34,900 odd levels yesterday. So this was the level that we fell to, and we closed around 34,745. It's well below our first support yesterday, and from there it just, so whenever the first support, like we discussed earlier also, whenever the support breaks, it sort of turns as a resistance. That's what happened today also. 34,900 level turned as a resistance, and from there we are on a downtrend, although we have just been oscillating in one particular range, but that would be an interesting range to watch out for us today. So currently 34,600 levels, 660 levels, that's a zone to watch out. That's yesterday's lows also. That's where we tested for a couple of minutes, like 25 minutes or, then we sprang back up. So that would be an interesting area to test. So 34,900 to 34,600 is a zone, and either sides when broken with volumes, we could witness a significant movement on that particular side. So when currently we are in a no trade zone, you can't really predict any direction, but if we see on a trend basis, we are slightly negative to flat. That would be the overall scenario, but you can't really do much, and that would just give you a view towards making straddles basically. Unless a view is broken on either side, you would just, and if you enter plainly a buy side of that particular option, you would just be a prey to the premium decay. Okay, so that's a short note on Bank Nifty. Also, I updated the same levels on the sheet also, and you can take a look. Let's quickly look into Bank Nifty OI, where we are present right now. Wait, it's loading. Okay, 35,000 is still a pretty good resistance. 34,800 itself has become a resistance point now, but it's slightly very minimal. It's almost like 1:1 currently. You see that level? Oh, it's actually more than 1:1. It's pretty much 18:12. That's oddly 6:3, 6:3:2, 1.5:1. For every 1.5 calls written, there's one put written. So that has a good call rating also. Again, 34,800 levels. So yeah, again 34,500 has a good support level because there's heavy put writing. But do not plainly go with these levels with just OI. This could mislead many times. So that's a short note on Bank Nifty also. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to keep this very short. So yeah, in case you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel and keep waiting for more updates. So that's it for today. Have a good trading day for the remaining day. Thank you. Bye bye.